Will there be a future Dalai Lama? After 20 or 30 years, when I'm near my end, then, depending mainly on the wishes of the Tibetan people, and also the people of the Himalayan regions and other Buddhists who are connected to the Dalai Lamas, if they so wish, then the 15th, 16th, and 17th Dalai Lamas and so forth will come. 未来还会有达赖喇嘛吗？20-30年后，当我接近生命的终点时，是否会有下一位达赖喇嘛，主要取决于藏族人民的意愿，以及喜马拉雅地区的民众和其他与达赖喇嘛有联系的佛教徒的愿望。如果他们愿意，那么第15世、第16世、第17世达赖喇嘛等就会出现。